fireworks. He's let me do a store tour, so we're gonna look around at just the different stuff that you can pick up here. They got some really good deals, so we'll start over here by these crackers and big snaps. Trump snaps back. That's a good one. Probably want to get that. I don't need that. They got a bunch of Roman candles here, it looks like. I've heard it. I've heard those ones are great. Alright. Kong candle. I got the bigger candles here. Iron Man.
Space
I've had this one before, Giant Buster. Yeah. Bought this for $300. They have it for $200 here. Oh, that's crazy. Dang.
We love a deal. Missed a deal. Oh, that's a cool box.
Awesome. Oh yeah, Neon Skies. That's a good one.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us.
No, you should have got us. I was on Damien's back, and then Anthony was on my back, and we was a 3 double-decker. That literally made you guys famous.
It's 3 double-decker.
These are things you're not supposed to say, guys.
Oh, what if I like hit my cart in front of these? Dad, get you these.
The Majin Boo's Madison.
Let me get away from you.
I need this.
I need you.
For real.
Mom!
Okay.
All of these out here shells are pretty good.
Yeah, they got a lot of cool boxes here.
Even the Cowabunga is nice.
Oh, that's cool.
Look.
It's Ninja Turtles. Quinny would love that.
Yeah. There's a bunch of single shots too. They have a bunch of single shots. These are all good. All of those are good. Probably gonna pick these up though.
There's some different ones.
Pebbles, yeah. Don't have these
You're
ones.
shopping like he's at Walmart.
Okay.
I'm window shopping. Turns around and really doesn't like.
Go this way. I'm gonna go out these. So you got novelties over here. Snaps, smoke at the bottom here. Red, white, and blue it looks like. That's cool. Is that you?
That's my shoe.
Oh, gotcha. Chicken blowing balloon. I think I've watched that one before. That one's pretty cool. They got whole boxes of stuff. Boxes of frogs, boxes of tanks. It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks like they're at a good price too.
Yeah.
For real.
And these, Quinn would love these. They're just all big. A truck, a tank. They're like, it says confetti, but it also, is it just confetti? Yeah, it's just confetti. That's cool.
They got a few different confetti cans.
I've only seen like ones where they have like 1 or 2.
Yeah,
They
me
have
too.
Gold, blue, pink, and these are like
Yellow,
smoke ones.
orange.
These ones are like smoke
purple.
ones. See?
Yeah, smoke cannons. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. They sell tannerite here. That's pretty
Oh,
awesome.
they sell tannerite. They have a big old. They got some big old ones.
It's the same thing.
Oh, Sonic Boom.
I've always wanted one of these lighters right here for 4th of July.
Why don't you buy one then for $20?
I don't have $20 to spend.
This man is about to spend $5,000 on fireworks.
These are all fountains, it looks like. We got the SpongeBob. This would go good with Patrick. I think we had one of the SpongeBob one last year.
Yeah, we've had a SpongeBob before.
Jigsaw.
Yep.
That's a good one.
That's affordable. $6.99.
The mini, I have one of these. Mini Girandola.
Oh, no.
It's cool.
Yeah, I remember him. But you have
There's the bigger fountains on the back here too. Got your Spartan Scream. I have that one already, and I have Oversized Load. Your mom likes the snow cone. And then this whole, you can just film this. Also, I want one of the ones. Okay, face the camera that one coming. Come this way.
I know.
Don't. Nishiki Mine, I want that one so awesome. So awesome. It's just $56.99. It's a good price for it because lots of places have it for more expensive. It's just.
Yeah, it feels like it's probably pretty heavy.
I don't think it's in my budget.
Yeah, probably not.
God bless America. Sorry. I'm trying to look up. God bless America. That looks cool. I took Pyro Diablo.
$59.99. A willow explosion. We like willows.
Willows are the ones that rain down on me.
Oh, look at that thing.
Yeah, USA. That's cool.
Oh, it's probably
Coast
pretty
to
cool.
coast.
$79.99.
Clusterbomb. I've heard that's pretty awesome also. Never really watched it, to be honest with you.
Color range.
Licensed people only get to buy.
$19.99 cake.
What is it that Sissy likes?
Diamonds in the Sky. Mikkel says that's a really good one. Old Ironsides. Tempt Fate. Rhapsody. Rounders. Bamboozle. Six cakes, all of them are $19.99. Yeah. Here's one called the Mad Doctor. It's only $19.99. Hit the Road Jack and Highfalutin. I know Mikkel says those are good ones. I think some of these Rocket Fireworks has though. Neon Goblin, that looks interesting. $12.99. Oh look, Scooby-Doo one. $18.99 for that. Why are they hating on Frankie? We all like our ice cream and our fries. Seems like a pretty big one for 30 bucks. Midnight Mondo, 119.
I'll scan
Best Fish 124.
Where'd Madison go? She's right here. Okay. Madison, you okay?
129.
Don't be mad at me.
139. Haunted.
No video found!
139. Horror Show. 134. Cool Family.
Looks like I'll pull it up on YouTube.
129 on that one.
So we can't do that.
That one has 3 500-gram cakes, 8 200-gram cakes. A lot of them have a lot in them. 6 500-gram cakes in that one.
Yeah, you got it? I can. Hello, LA.
Hey guys, so we walked through Little J's a little bit, but I'm going to like 5 other stores. So I'm gonna do my shopping, and we might get a few more pictures and stuff. But this will end it for Little J's fireworks. We'll see you in the next video. No, just one, two. Just one, two. Just ask them a question. I'm selling whole case. Huh? Yeah. No. Outside what outside?
Come on, shut it! There you go. Okay. You got the keys. You got the keys. You got the key. You got the keys for the car.
I do, yeah.
We got the keys for the car. You're fine.
I'm just gonna hold it down.
Yeah, you just hold it down back there.
Yeah, you can just hold them.
I can't see. You're making this very Okay, shipping guys. Where's my shipping guys? Give me
What? You're fine. You know how to use ratchets.
Gotta keep the fireworks
Didn't you say that you were in
safe.
shipping?
My shipping.
1 day. I was in shipping for 1 day. I don't know. Figure it out. You're the shipping guy. Here.
You can't
Drew said it would work.
anything.
Drew
There's
said it would
hooks at
work.
the bottom down there.
You
Drew said it would work.
Yeah.
Drew also said it would work, so it's gotta be. Give me that one.
We all have special talents. I mean, this is yours.
Yep.
Vance hates that his is, hey Vance, I can't read that. Or I can't figure out the TV when you come
Yeah.
get it to her.
Yeah.
He's definitely the technology guy.
He's the tech and the tall.
Gotta keep them fireworks safe. Good job. Good job. Safety
There we go.
first.
Good boy.
Oh, that was unnecessary. For real.
Oh man, dude.
The cameraman about died in that.
Are we switching driving now? Are we? I think so, right?